First we write the given sphere, which is x square plus y square plus z square is equals to a square, where x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0, z is greater than or equal to 0. First we need to calculate the limits of x, y and z. The limits of z will be z square is equals to a square minus x square minus y square. Then z will become z is equals to root of a square minus x square minus y square. So the limit of z varies from 0 to root of a square minus x square minus y square. Similarly, the limit of y can be written as x square plus y square is equals to a square. If we send x square to the right hand side, it will become minus x square. So y square is equals to a square minus x square. If we send the square to the right hand side, it will become the square root. So y is equals to square root of a square minus x square. So y varies from 0 to root of a square minus x square. Similarly, to calculate the limit of x, the condition will be x square is equals to a square, then x is equals to a. So the limit x varies from 0 to a. So we need to calculate triple integration of xyz dx dy dz is equals to, we know that the limits of x, y, z, limits of x is 0 to a, limit of y is 0 to root of a square minus x square, limit of z is 0 to root of a square minus x square minus y square. We write xyz followed by dz dy dx. First we integrate the term z, so it can be written as integration x is equals to 0 to a x, integration y is equals to 0 to root of a square minus x square y, integration z is equals to 0 to root of a square minus x square minus y square, z dz dy dx. We know that the formula for integration x power n dx is equals to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Similarly, integration z power 1 into dz is z square by 2. Now we apply the limits, which is followed by upper limit minus lower limit, which can be written as root of a square minus x square minus y square is the upper limit whole square, minus lower limit is 0, so we substitute 0 square. The value of 0 square is 0. Next we cancel square root and square. The value will become a square minus x square minus y square. Now we multiply y with every term, which is followed as y into a square, y into x square, y into y square is y cube, so we write y cube. Here y is taken as constant from these two terms, which can be written as a square minus x square of y minus y cube dy dx. Next we integrate y term with dy, so a square minus x square will become constant, so we write as it is. Integration y dy is y square by 2, integration y cube dy is y power 4 by 4. Next we apply the limits, which is followed as upper limit minus lower limit, so which is shown as a square minus x square into root of a square minus x square whole square. Here root square is cancelled by 2, minus root of a square minus x square whole power 4 by 4. Next root of a square minus x square whole power 4 can be written as root of a square minus x square whole square into root of a square minus x square whole square. Here square and root are cancelled. Next a square minus x square into a square minus x square is a square minus x square whole square. Here also a square minus x square into a square minus x square is a square minus x square whole square. Next we do the LCM for 2 and 4. The LCM is 4, then the numerator will become 2 into a square minus x square into whole square minus 1 into a square minus x square into whole square. The value of 2 into a square minus x square into whole square minus 1 into a square minus x square into whole square is a square minus x square into whole square by 4. Here 1 by 4 is a constant term, so we write before the integration. 1 by 4 is the constant term, so we write before the integration, which is expressed as 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. Integration x is equals to 0 to a x into a square minus x square whole square dx. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 8. Integration x is equals to 0 to a x into a square minus x square whole square dx. Here we are going to modify this into a formula, which is integration f into x power n into f dash of x dx. So to modify this into that form, we are going to write minus 1 by 2 before the integration and minus 2 after the integration, so it will become into this form. So the formula for this form is f of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So we write a square minus x square whole power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Next we apply limits, upper limit minus lower limit, which is shown as below. A square whole cube is in the form of a power m whole power n. The formula for a power m whole power n is a power m into n. So a power 2 into 3 is a power 6. Next we multiply minus 1 by 16 into minus a power 6 by 3, which is minus into minus is plus. Next 1 into a power 6 is a power 6. Next 16 into 3 is 48. So finally triple integration xyz dx dy dz is a power 6 by 48.